This webinar will be covering Aspect's alert function. Let us begin. The alert function is there to enable the operator to alert his superior without having to find them, as well as recording any issues that arose during the job run. Operators have the ability to call for help from the terminal screen. The alert button, when clicked, allows the user to select an alert reason. This displays the reason on the monitor screen and flashes red to alert other staff of the need. To set the alert reasons, we select Setup and then Alert Reasons in the left menu. The ID can be used to group alerts together. This also decides the position of the alert on the tablet. For this exercise we will use AA as the ID, and the alert we will say, Low Material. When the operator selects the alert and reason on the tablet, the alert will show in the monitor screen. The alert will not go away until it is stopped. This gives great data on response times from staff and is logged against the job. We can see all alerts for a specific job under Job Update and on the Alert tab, shown here. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.